Welcome to the Griddle Guys. Thank you for joining us. We've got Jeff, Nate. Super simple cook tonight. We are doing pizzas on the griddle. Done it before many times.
We love it. Comes
out great. I'm cheating a little bit, but I'm gonna tell you why. It's only because last summer and most summers, my whole family, we get together, we go to the Cape. About 16 of us under one roof. Well, one cook last year, we said, individual pizzas, I'll make whatever you want. Tell me what you want. I went to the grocery store, got it all. I made 15 different pizzas for dinner.
I think I remember somebody else doing that sometime.
Who? You?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Did you make a video on it?
Yeah.
Did you?
This guy. Anyways.
All right, so go back to Jeff's video, watch that if you guys haven't seen it. It was right in the beginning, it had to be a long time ago, because I don't remember it. But anyways, I'm gonna show you two pizzas, real quick, real simple. Stick around. All right, so I said I'm gonna cheat on this, and the reason why I'm cheating is these pizza pre-made crust, Mama Mary's, excellent. They got the holes in them, makes life a lot easier. I don't wanna hear, I can't believe you didn't use real dough. Real dough is fantastic, but it's very difficult when you're doing so many pizzas to just do it, especially when you're outside in the summer. Anyway, it's just an idea. The dough is gonna be better, regular fresh dough. We make that all the time. Trust me, it's very good. It's just a little, this is easier. Taking the easy way.
Not having fresh dough and going home.
All right, see you later. Yeah, good. More for us, Jeff. First one I'm doing two chicken pizzas, okay? The first one's gonna be a buffalo chicken. Gonna throw a little red onion on top, and as well as a little bit of ranch dressing. So the buffalo, I'm just gonna use some red hot stick of butter. I think we've done that before, Jeff, and other cooks, you and I both have done that. There's mozzarella and some cheddar. It's a little spicy barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's. Just comes out great. With white onion, I'm gonna garnish both pizzas with a little green onion. Piece of chicken for each. Gonna get these guys to work because that's what we do at My Cooks. We make them do a little work.
Big surprise.
Jeff cut up the chicken. That way we know there's gonna be no fat, right, Nate? I'm gonna have Nate going on the veggies. Basically, I'm gonna probably use half an onion of each of these.
Diced or sliced?
I'm gonna let you answer that. I'm gonna let you answer that. Which way do you like it on a pizza?
I like sliced.
All right, so do I. There we go. All right, let's get to work. Nope, cut that in half. That's like an inch and a half that's like an inch by an inch.
This is exact.
Yes, that's what we want. Yes, thank you.
No way.
Yeah, you want small bits.
Pizza night. All right, gonna get the buffalo sauce going. Basically butter. I'm gonna wait till that melts.
Is that the low calorie butter you put in there?
That's the low, no fat. Jeff, you can have as much as you want. No, you can have butter no matter what. I'm gonna get the chicken going here. I'm gonna cook it about 90%.
The perfectly cut chicken?
If it's okay with you, can you cook mine 100%?
No, you're gonna be 95. Nate, I'm gonna do yours 80%.
Perfect. He likes his chicken medium rare.
Medium rare, excellent.
That is very consistently cut chopped chicken, isn't it?
You know what, Jeff? This is the best chicken I've ever seen. I just wish you didn't have 30,000 questions to how to do it.
Yeah. Jeff's gonna knock himself over, patting himself on the back about the size of the chicken.
They really are unbelievably consistent.
At least it's not bitterly cold.
I think it hit like 40 today, maybe a little bit higher. It's a nice day today. A good weather's coming after this weekend. After we get through this weekend. Perfect, Nate, thank you.
No, I think we're getting snow Saturday. Snow rain.
After this weekend, I think we'll be in the clear. All right, this is ready to go right here. Good.
So what's your ratio with that? Half and half looks like?
That much.
Not that much?
About a cup of this.
Yeah.
Stick of butter. When you put your chicken down there, it's about 50% done.
Yeah, please.
Nate likes his chicken medium rare.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe how great these are cut. Honest to God. They're cooking so consistently. It's unbelievable, Jeff. Write this down. It's the best you've ever done.
Now I feel like you're mocking me.
Not at all. Serious. Notice how perfectly cut those are.
Now, this is where perfection comes in. Nate's back to splitting something up evenly.
You know how good that's gonna look? Oh, right. Nate, I need those in a third.
Stoplight.
I need them in a third. I need them in a third.
Just want to make sure we have even distribution of chicken.
Of perfectly cut chicken.
Ah, this is the good cooking. Shout out to Brother Bob, thank you. I don't even know what kind this is, but I love it.
Big.
Yeah, awesome.
That's pretty close, that's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
All right, Jeff's gonna start mixing the chicken. Gonna throw a little sauce in each of them, mix them up, let it sit there. I'm gonna get the pizzas going. Throw a little garlic salt down, a little trick that Jeff had showed me a long time ago. I'm gonna put these face down first, just to give them a little heat. Oh, look at that, they just barely fit. Might have to cut a little of the crust.
Perfect.
It's a little heat, I'm actually gonna shut it.
This one's gonna be a little barbecue.
That smells good.
It smells really good.
It does.
Done with this. Mama Mary's, don't forget. These, I actually had to go to Walmart for these, believe it or not.
Our market's not that good. Jeff reminds me of that every time.
Market is not that
I
good.
gotta stop going there, to be honest with you. All right, and now we sauce.
I mean, will that actually help you not fumble? I'm just saying.
Jeff, I'm gonna need that spoon if you're done.
That might be hot.
I got it, dude. Keep my hands nice and warm.
Right.
That's pretty watery, but we'll see. You could throw some cornstarch or some flour in it to thicken it up a little bit,
Oh, that looks beautiful to me.
but that's actually not bad. I like this little crust in there, you know?
The edge,
Catches it.
Yeah.
hold it in.
Teamwork here. Look at that. So you haven't talked at all about the grill blazer, Chris.
The grill blazer, it will be used, so
Go to.
absolutely will be used. Don't get quite enough. You know, it's not a pizza oven. We've seen the pizza ovens all over. This doesn't act like that, but the grill blazer helps. It adds a lot. You'll see once we get there. So mozzarella cheese and then a little sharp. Don't have to kill it. Look at this teamwork.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, you gotta make it pretty. Let's not get sloppy. Jeff, look how perfect those chicken are cut.
That is perfectly cut chicken right there.
I was actually going to calibrate the ruler inside based on Jeff's chicken. You know, so it's cut up so perfectly.
All right, Ned, that's good. That looks great. All right. Who wants to talk Italian? Mamma mia!
Got enough onion for you? You want more?
I can't see it.
White on white.
White on white.
Chris, do we need to be concerned at all about the bottom of the crust? Do you check that at all?
We gotta keep an eye on it. Oh, jeez, it's cooking quick. I didn't realize how high we had to heat.
Did you do both cheeses on both pizzas?
Yes, I did.
So it's a blend? All right.
Yeah, we're gonna blend. So we're gonna let that sit.
Grab the grill
We'll
blazer.
shut this down.
A few moments later.
All right, so
Here we go.
time for the grill blazer, guys. This is still my favorite tool. I love using this. If you don't have one, get one.
Hey, don't burn the GoPro.
Oh, good call, Jeff. Let's finish it off here.
Nice.
A little GBD.
Yep. You look concerned.
No, this is good. I'm watching Nate with his hand gestures over there.
You want the green onions on after? Or?
I'll do that after.
All right.
All right, we're gonna bring these in. All right, so we are done. Pizza time. I have dressed these up very nicely. They came out perfect. The grill blazer, shout out to you guys.
Awesome.
Couldn't do it without it, to be honest with you. It works so well. We're gonna have Jeff cut these up for us. Nate and I are gonna do a taste test.
Jeff's still dieting, so
Still dieting.
who better to not eat and serve, right?
You know,
What? How do you want me to cut this?
make a pie.
I'll go, let me get around to your truck. I'll get the micrometer so that you can make sure it's as perfect as the chicken. All right?
You know, my wife gives me a hard time every time I'm cutting pizza because I try and.
Well, they tell you to shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
Yeah.
Guys, when you're making this, if you do low heat, I forgot to mention that earlier. Definitely start with low heat, get that top down. You will get some melt in there, but then the grill blazer, finish it off. If you don't have it, buy one.
And don't go overboard with it. It puts out a lot of heat.
It sure does.
And it's got many uses too. Love that thing.
Very good tool to have in the toolbox.
Yeah. Wow. Looks good. I'm gonna go with the buffalo first.
I'm going buffalo first.
Bon appetit,
no-brainer
fellas.
for me.
Bon appetit.
Look at that. Looks good. Bottom looks nice. Perfect.
Nice.
Oh, as I
Chicken.
lose a piece.
Dunkin'.
Dunkin'. Oh, it's hot donkey.
Yeah. Sounds crunchy. Cheese is nice and melted. Smells amazing.
I'm gonna go first on this one, Chris. That tastes a lot better than I was expecting. Not that I was expecting anything bad, but with the crust,
Yeah, wow.
it really crisped up nicely on the bottom.
Yeah.
You know, and obviously the toppings. I mean, who doesn't love buffalo sauce and chicken and cheese, right?
And butter.
And butter. Yeah, that's absolutely delicious.
That is good. I agree, Nate. I'll tell you two things. The red onion, key. Tastes delicious. The green onion adds.
And the size of the chicken.
And the chicken, the way it's cut up, I think best slice I've ever had, ever in my life. Good job, Jeff.
I could easily eat half that buffalo chicken pizza or more. It's really tasty. Nice job.
Thank you.
And nice job on the chicken, Jeff.
Thanks. Nice.
Going barbecue now?
Symmetrical. See how symmetrical?
Yeah.
So this is Sweet Baby Ray's spicy sauce. We'll have to see how that worked out.
The smell is amazing. It smells awesome.
That's good too.
For me, the Sweet Baby Ray is a little too sweet. But Sweet Baby Ray is always like that for me. It's a very sugary sauce, you know?
This is the spicy one. I'm not really getting the spice. Are you tasting it?
No.
Oh, it's still good though.
It's a good slice of pizza, but if both of these are sitting on the buffet line, I'm killing the buffalo.
We did put the white onions all over this, right?
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm not getting any. It's good though. When we did this at the beach, like I said, 15 different kinds. Someone had fig with prosciutto and all different sauces. I did a shrimp. You can have so much fun with pizza. It's quick. We didn't do it so quick today.
It was pretty quick.
But it's not too bad. Guys, enjoy it. Try it out. Have some fun with it. Make it your own. Make it whatever you want. That's the best part about it.
If you have questions on how Jeff cut the chicken, I'm sure he'll write up 6 or 10 paragraphs.
How about a class?
He might write even a class.
Maybe he'll do a class.
On how to cut perfect chicken. Cheers, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
See you in the next video. Cheers.